The Antarctic tern is a bird that lives in Antarctica. The bill of the Antarctic tern is bright red, and its feet and legs are orange and red. The tern's neck is black during summer and white during winter. It also has black eyes, a black cap, and white underparts. It also has a pale underwing with thin dark edge. The Antarctic tern generally lives among the rocks of Antarctica, such as on rocky shores, terminal moorings, and cliffs. Sometimes they are also found among lawns. Antarctic tern can fly and can walk on its small legs. They are specially designed for rocky surfaces. The Antarctic tern first breeds by the age of 2. They annually breed. Birds arrive in late October to the shores of Antarctica. Laying commences in mid-January, with eggs hatching in February and fledging in April. The Antarctic tern feeds on small fish and various crustaceans. They also scavenge in the eternal zone of Antarctica.
Is it mom and dad? Is it a cockatoo? Is it standing by your mate when he's in a fight? Or just Vegemite? True blue.